Hello. Right now we're going to be solving for x again, given that sine of x is negative 0.3. And we know that it's negative, so let's take a look at what quadrants our answers are going to be on. In the first quadrant, every angle is positive, so we're not going to have an answer there. We have negative sine of x is negative 0.3. Sine is positive on the second quadrant, so it's not going to be there either. But here, only tangent's negative, meaning that sine is positive, so we're going to have an answer here. And we're also going to have an answer in the fourth quadrant, because cosine is positive, but sine is negative on the fourth quadrant, or in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so my suggestion to actually get started, though, will be for you to find the reference angle, and that will be in the first quadrant. And how do we find that? The reference angle that's going to give us both the answers here and here. And I can just go sine -1 of 0.3, positive 0.3, to find the reference angle. And I'll show you guys why that will be useful. So I'm using my calculator here, and I got 0.3046, so I'm going to round it to 305. And we have an answer here. Oops. And an answer here. The reference angles are going to be the same. This guy will be equal to that one, which are both the 0.305 and 0.305. However, we need the answers in standard position. So the first answer will be from here to here, and the second answer will be from here to over here. So let's first concern ourselves with the red angle, which is the first answer. How can we find it? It's in the third quadrant, so I can just actually add 0.35 to pi. So pi plus 0.305 will be equal to, oh, my calculator is acting up on me. There we go. 3.446. Then, so that's the red angle here in center position. But now we also need this angle right here. And how can we find that? Simple. We can just subtract 0.305 from 2 pi. So 2 pi minus 0.305. I'm using my calculator again. That's going to be equal to 5.978. I actually used the original value that I found for sine -1 of 0.3 to find both these values, just so they wouldn't be approximations of 0.305. But so 3.446 and 5.978. Hopefully that made sense. If not, I'd suggest that you check out this website because they have very similar questions. And yeah, thank you.